Hi, today I'm explaining about another topic in Animate CC. Okay, so after symbols, let us discuss about uh, what are the animation types. So, animation in Animate CC, how many different categories, types of animations we use? Like, yeah, I'll give some information here. Suppose so animation in Animate CC. This is the heading topic. So one is tweening animation, second frame by frame animation, frame animation, third bone tool animation, okay, so make it bit bigger. So name it black, right. So bit smaller. Okay, this. Yes, this is. Okay, so in animation we have three different types we use in Flash. Okay, animation in Animate CC. We have three categories, three different ways we use: tweening animation, and frame by frame animation, and bone tool animation. Again, in tweening animation, suppose here I'll create one more layer here. Control C. Here we can paste here. Okay, so tweening animation again we have three categories. Suppose the duplicate of this, and here the name is classic tween animation. Then shape tween animation, And the third one is suppose motion twin animation. Yes, motion twin animation. Right. Okay. Suppose here animation in Animate CC, three types: twinning method animation and frame by frame animation. Twinning animation means you can give two frames, first and last, okay, then between frames automatically system can create, that is a twinning animation. System can twin between these two keyframes. And frame by frame animation is you have to draw each and every frame by your own. Okay, so this is actually the typical process of animation, typical animation. If you are a good artist, good you are having a good skill in sketching and the drawing, anatomy and whatever the idea, if you are a good artist, then it is very easy. Frame by frame animation is very easy because you have to draw each and every pose, all the modifications in head and body, so you have to draw. Usually we use this with vacuum pad, or sometimes with mouse also we can modify frame by frame and you do. The third one is bone tool animation. So actually bone tool, it has some limitations. The few actions you can create. There is a armature, okay, you can add the bones, the skeleton, and you can operate few actions with this bone tool. You can do animation, okay, but it has limitations. But in frame by frame animation, it's no limitation. How you think, how you plan, how you want dynamically, you can do in frame by frame animation. So that is the reason the person must have a good artistic talent. Okay, and in twinning animation, the few things only possible. Horizontally, vertically, you can animate your things. Okay, you can give path, along with path also it can create. Okay, so one by one we create all these things. Let us check actually. For the definition actually, what is animation? What is animation? Can you guess this? Already in animation principle I gave you some idea about animation. Okay, suppose this is number 16. About animation. Okay, save. Right. So animation, actually what is animation means, suppose someone will ask you a question, okay, because you are studying a animation course, you are an animation student. Okay, so definitely you face a question, your family member, all your friends, definitely suddenly they'll ask you a question. There is a question, you are learning animation course, and actually what is animation? So definitely one day you'll face this question. So the answer is sequence of drawings or frames. Observe, follow me. Sequence of drawings or frames, you can display them in a particular speed. Particular speed means, again we have a discussion, definitely I'll explain. Particular speed means here per second 24 frames. If you play them, okay, so it can create the illusion of movement. It can create the illusion of movement, that is animation. Okay, the frames must be in a sequential order. So in 2D you can say it is a drawing frames. Suppose you can sequence of drawings, in 2D. Suppose in 3D the same thing you can say, but instead of drawings you can say it is a frames, sequence of drawings and frames. You can play them in a particular speed. Okay, so it can create the illusion of a movement, motion it can generate. So that is animation. Okay, but animation is not actually tracing. In animation principle I explained you clearly everything. Animation is not tracing. If you trace one realistic live footage in Flash or whatever the 2D software, and you can play, control enter, you can play them, it can create the realistic motion because you trace the same footage of video you trace, it is generating same speed, same quality, same everything, it is creating in a realistic mode. So if you are creating everything in realistic, that is not animation. Okay, are you understanding this? If you creating everything in a realistic mode, it is not animation. Animation means more than that. Okay, the abnormal state. Okay, so as per the animation principles, you have to apply all the animation principles like stretch and squash, okay, follow through and overlapping action. So these all the animation principle as per the character mood and expression we have to apply. We have to exaggerate your actions. So that is animation. Means what? More than realistic, more than reality we are applying. You are exaggerating things. If you take the example from Tom and Jerry, so Tom and Jerry always they chase each other, okay, as per the story, and they exaggerate they beat each other with the big objects, okay, and they exaggerate. Sometimes they express their movements and moods and emotions loudly and abnormally. Okay, they stretch their mouths horizontally and vertically in abnormal state. So these are all exaggerations. So why should we do all these things? Because with exaggeration only the fun can generate. If you are operating as it isly, if you are operating as it isly in a realistic mode, it is not an animation. Okay, so don't forget this. And suppose already I told you that in a particular speed of frames. So particular speed means here 24 frames we use per second, 24 frames we use. Okay, so if you observe here in the properties, right side properties, frame rate displaying here in default 24 frames it is showing here. Okay, in right side it is showing 24 frames. That is the standard frame rate. So frames actually if you increase the frames, suppose you are adding more frames, okay, the action will be slower because you are adding more frames. So very closely, okay, each other very closely you are arranged frames, many frames it has. So the action will be slower, and you are giving a few frames only. Suppose here this is suppose here this is one and this is one, my path of action. Okay, there I'm giving close frames here, 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 here. Okay, add more frames, but here this, 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 this. So the meaning is here the paths, two paths are differently showing. Here it is the action will be more slower because here, 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 here the connecting with two more frames, the action will be slower here, and here it is bit faster than this one, because the more gaps we are maintaining. So, okay, so this is called ladder. I'll explain about ladders and all. So here the gaps are indicating your action will be here to here. Suppose here there is a frame, here one more frame, here frame, here frame. So fatafat, start to end, it is reaching from this direction to that direction. Okay, and here because of the close frames, the action will be more slower. So what we are understanding here, if you add more frames, okay, the action will be slow, and less frames, the action will be faster. Okay, in general, in default, the frame rate is 24 frames per second. Okay, so that is the reason the frame rate fixed at the rate of 24. Okay, so more frames you are giving, the more frames means slow, and less frames means faster. So the experimented 10 frames, 12 frames, 15 frames, okay, and suppose 30 frames and 50 frames. So but at the frame rate of 24, it is creating the realistic illusion. At the frame rate, we are accepting, we are feeling the realistic movement from the scene action. So that is the reason the frame rate is 24 seconds. But nowadays for videos, if you are observing, the more frames, 50, 60, sometimes more than that, we are giving, because the more accurate the realistic action we are getting in realistic videos. Okay, but to feel the movement and the realistic action, at least we need a minimum of 24 frames. That is the fixed standard rate for the animation. Okay, right. Suppose here I'll explain about ladders. I wanted to explain about ladders, but the time of bouncing ball assignment and pendulum assignment, more clearly I'll explain. Okay, so now I'm focusing on only simply the methods we use in Flash Animate CC. Okay, the first one is twinning animation. In twinning, again, three types of animations are there: classic twin animation, and shape twin animation, and motion twin animation. Okay, what is classic twin? Generally, so classic twin animation, if you place one frame here, suppose if you place one frame here and other frame we place somewhere, okay, so between these two frames we animate actually. Okay, so this can be a keyframe, and here it can be a keyframe. Suppose insert keyframe. Actually, what is keyframe, what is frame, and what is a blank keyframe? Okay, I'll explain the next lesson, because this is a simple intro. This is simple intro for animation types and what is animation. Okay, so you can just follow. This is a small theory, because I wanted to introduce so animation and animation, the different kind of animations. Okay, that today's the topic is only about animation and categories, types of animation, and the next class one by one I'll explain about keyframes, what are keyframes, and what are frames, and blank keyframes. Okay, so what is the difference between these, I'll explain. So you can just follow this as you way, and you can understand yourself, and if you have any doubt, please ask. Okay, thank you.